54. 54 says the electric field intensity in a place where a charge of 10 raised to the power minus 10 experiences a force of 0.4. What is the electric field intensity? So we're looking for E, and E is equals to Q. Sorry, rather. Mm, that's F, that's force, over Q. And the force is 0.4, and the charge is 10 raised to the power minus 10. So for this case, what we're now going to do is F times Q because of the indices. So what you'll be solving will be 0.4 times 10 minus 10. That's what you are solving. So solve that, get your answer, and get on with it. Alright. Okay. 59. 59 says the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when in air is 3 microfarad and in the presence of dielectric material is 6 microfarad. The diode current is what? So since everything is in microfarad, there's no need to stress ourselves. What we're going to do is look for the dielectric constant, which is equals to the capacitance in the dielectric over capacitance in air. Alright. So capacitance in dielectric over capacitance in air. Capacitance in dielectric is what? Is 6. And capacitance in air is what? Is 3. So this is what you are serving with. Alright. Sixty-four says 3 capacitors of capacitance 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad, 8 microfarad are connected in parallel and a potential difference of 6 volts is maintained across each capacitor. The total energy stored is what? So we're looking for total energy, and total energy is E is equals to half capacitance V squared. Yes, so we already know the V. V is equals to 6. So V is 6. You just have to square it. So V is 6. Just have to square it. So that's that for that. All right. So now, what are we going to get C? C will be equals to 2 plus 4 plus 8. When you get this answer now, when you get this answer, we add times 10 raised to the power minus 6 because of the micro before the farad. All right. So that's that. All right. Let's take 65. 65 says the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is 20 microfarad in air and 60 microfarad presence of a dielectric. What is the dielectric constant? Same thing, K. We've done it before. K is equals to what? The K is equals to what? The consistance or the capacitance of the dielectric, that's CD, and then the capacitance in air, CA. Don't forget. Capacitance in the dielectric is what? 60. Capacitance in the air is what? 20. So this is what you are serving. All right. Thank you very much.